friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025, celebrating 25 years at the Triple Tree location. It's the 43rd annual Joe Nall. We've got a Boomerang jet done up in the Matt Chapman scheme. And folks, this is how it looks out of the box. Boomerang jets, gorgeous, fantastic. Excited to shoot this. Because it was such a unique color scheme when Matt Chapman brought it out in the early 2000s for his cap. And you're in for a real treat here, folks. So sit back, relax, strap in tight, because folks, I feel the need for speed. Woo. Lots of jets here today, folks. The bullseye scheme on the bottom, folks.
3D plane is landing at its legs.
So this is an Atom jet, ladies and gentlemen. We saw it in the walk around, by the way, the vendor row. I think it was on day 2 of the Nall, and you can look up that video here on this channel. Oh my goodness, what can you say? I mean, come on now, folks. We're gonna call that splash art butter right there. Splash art butter, because that's kind of that paint scheme there, sort of a splash art. Maybe you got a plane that looks that cool with a landing that smooth. I mean, what else are you gonna call it? Goodness gracious. Gorgeous plane, fantastic landing, just stunning. Absolutely stunning. And that's how it looks out of the box, folks. Alright, friends, more to come.